Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and to do it, simply tap on the bottom of the screen, like this. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up or down on the screen to scroll through the menu, like this. Now, scroll through the menu until you find the More option and tap on it. Here, scroll down until you find Settings and tap on the Settings to enter. Now, scroll all the way down and right here we have the Reboot option. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now let's wait until the device is done rebooting. And after a second or two, you should see the home screen again. This means that the reboot is complete. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.